Movie Bevapai talks about Ashok, who is Rajesh Khanna and who is in love with Asha, but he is married to Vinny, who is Meenakshi Seshadri. Out of matrimonial compromise, you may say, because of family pressure, and he is seen to lead a happy life. But although he was always and in future, he wanted to be with Asha, and he loved her dearly. And on the other hand, there is Renu, who is Meenakshi Seshadri, and who was a college goer, same with Ashok. And she was raped by Pran, who was the dad of Tina Munim's father. And since it was a clandestine thing, it was not unearthed to the public that he is such a corrupt man. She even tried to commit suicide, but Rajesh Khanna Ashok actually saved her, saved Renu. And then Asha, who is Tina Munim, thought that he is in love with Renu, and Renu got mentally unstable after that incident, and she was kind of ailing, and he felt responsible for it because she had helped him when there was financial problems. She came into the forefront and she was instrumental in helping Ashok, Renu. So he seemed to be indebted to her, and he said that unless she recovers, I will not remarry Asha. I will not take the plunge. And what exactly happens? She recovered in between, but and then she came to know that both of them are in love. So this movie basically is shot in Kashmir, and it has few good songs. So it's a movie which talks about relationships, complex relationships and all. But finally, Pran came to the forefront and he accepted his folly, and he was even imprisoned. And even there's the notorious guy Rajnikant, who was instrumental in killing in Ashok. But Ashok survived somehow, and the man who had sent Rajni to kill Ashok was none other than Pran. And when Asha came to know about it, she was totally infuriated with her father. But all's well that ends well. Even his motives were unearthed, Rajnikant's motives, and he was Ranveer. Rajnikant is Ranveer in this movie. So all's well that ends well. Everything was Anki Dori, Asha and all. Asha got her true love, who was Ashok, and the movie ended on a happy note. But yeah, it went through a lot of complexities. So bottom line, true love never fades. 3.5 stars.